nasipopile mani ebo aluta akontinue bakithukula sinasabuka ebheka nikahle masipopile ipopi aluta akontinue bakithukula sinasabuka ebheka nikahle masipopile
Cho kama simthandela abamthanda bambiza ngawo simthandele noma umthandele ngokhono simthandile face ngiphethe ezinye zasekazi shisawa kungabi khambani mina ngimproduce ngiqala gas ubani lo
low level in P wafethu
sure
because kwenye ile ama central one yangithola ne
namasha
because kwenye
spitze on the site
amayebona motanka mabosho maweshe ujabulunyana wakhona mfana phuma emaphoyiseni
sure
fulwane emergency number
in X khambani wafethu today chillile I don't know izothatha isikhathi 15 minutes 10 minutes just to know these guys and know background yabo bani level bani njeba khambani bafike kanjani le game lento abayithuna kanjani lelikasa baphuma kulo you understand kuba bakhule kanjani how so qala konje ubani njeba ubani unjabulo ngendlela yakho like ungathi unjabulo ubani mangakubuza ubani unjabulo wathi ubani
njabulu kokornoto mfana sestrateni mfana ophandayo mfana khuzuke khud
okay I'll describe unjabulo in two words like two words describe ngendlela ezi3 nje mfethu describe ba maybe unjabulo fun or unjabulo you understand describe nje ngamagama ayi3
njabulu confirmeki njabulu creative njabulu kokornoto mfana strata njabulu
yini kokornoto
yeah umuntu ongezo
Spethu never ka yileza abashaba for yayica from the young age is superstar come on ubani neval fethu siqazela ubani igama lakho straight fethu who are you
hayi igama lami Neville vele nasi ku-80 yangishora
yeah
ngathi ngubani mina fethu ngisdescribe in 3 ways now
no uqala uyichaza wena bese ngizodescribe uyibona ngakhona ba awuthi neval ubani uneval
intwana echili epapa mine nabobra wakhe ngithola nani ukoparita
yes
yeah
oh shit damn
check off all trades baba
yeah in 2 words ubani
unjabulo manje
hard neval ubani neval
in 3 ways umuntu mfethu ngathini umuntu consistent ngispani mara sebenza ngokumnandi
sebenza
ngokujabula ngithola asiyenzile ukuthi manje sisoba hayi heavy fun mara silokho sisipana mara service fun sidu mahuti ngithola ne
efethu ngiyabona fanele siphathanga amakota bathi amakota ayashashala izana so was like shaya ngabe siphethe isikholana futhi sicela ukugawula nobongisho ubonile maqala ivideo kara besigawula but yeah you know but yeah amakota aneshashalazi for
zuthi man
aneshashalazi okay bafethu nginemibuzo nyane understand lana samokwazana is not an interview but samokwazana is a Q&A you know noma yini ngifuna ukuyibuza now if you have a question ungabuza understand ngiqala kwamphela kuneval and since nguwe uneval ufike kanjani streaming like emehlweni abantu ufike kanjani emehlweni abantu
espansuleni mfethu isuke espansuleni yonke lento le
lipansula
yeah isuke espansuleni ngokudansa vele ngithola from way back ngisasentwana ngiphethe inyamba to bring ngithola siloko siphusha abantu lento le mfethu yasuka emarobotini cabanga
bekuyileza benikhaleza amarobotini
sikhaleza amathurana kunala manje masekwenzakala kune-event pansulas ngani mabadlula la besijava khona bahlezi badlula ngemoto angazi bebayaphi mara badlula ngemoto babona into man le ntwana lezi zisicoki attire ziniti zine-potential ababo bathi boys
zokalani
into le mfethu isuke espansuleni sispansule mayisasuka riding shuthi manje nesicala njengento besiyenza like manje bona sibona abantu ukuthi so sicala ngokugqoka sicala ukulena nani so yasuka kuphi emarobotini kulasho manje ufunda khona usanokuthi manje nawe like mawubuya mfethu mayo-check imedia yakho usune 2 clip anyana
sono 2 clip anyana ukubhayizisa ngisola
manje riding manje masaya kanjalo la besijeva khona bekuhlezi kudlulani lezi esinazo bahlezi badlula la ngiphethe yami upringa ngithola sisijeva siyijuda so sithole manje mase sitholakala ngala
ayaqala yachange la
no uyabona ispansula mfethu ukuthi inhle guiding le mfethu so ukwazi ukungena endaweni
so mina ukuzwa kwami kayi wena lempahla niqala nonke zethu senisipana nonke no wena uqale no Pringo right
ngisakhuluma
the way uqale ngakhona ukuvela emehlweni abantu ngisho lo iqale ku Pringo asesizo nje bha uqale kanjani ebethunani before all this jepa waba
mina suke vele ngayi local dance amajepa ama-survive amawatwati aqaqale ngayini ujayiva ngayeni obuhle khona iGrootman umahala vele host ezinye izinto
fair
hlezi nje ngijayiva la uyasithola inspiration
uyini ubusikhothana ubuyiphansi ubuyini wona ngasasikhathi
ngathini just nje ordinary guy asekasi iphutha
iphutha nyana relax
mara obvious ukupantsula ubukhona ngento obvious frostane bephezulu kwesipantsula mara bengakasijayive
so ufika kanjani uJeff nespanzulo because nosuku
khona enye intwana yamulinda yabo enyanga yi6 yini ubuhle shout out to boy ubuvelo ngifaka nje iroutine eli1 ngimbona man man spanzulo siyahamba lenza into engiyifunayo bona babo bashaya isipawe ngifuna ukusishanga mtshele boy bheka man angifake nyana something ngibona angibamba umfana at basic pha nyana ama 1 2 3 4 5 ngabamba isipawe ukubamba kwami isipawe obvious interest ibabhaya ngiba inspired ngibona ama video yaza ngithi obvious even Pantsulas Scarlett Tabzini shout out VA
superstar
obvious befuna ukudlalela i-team akekho umuntu obekangazifundira mojabe Pantsulas
ngokuthi Alex ufuna ukuzithola karamo iPantsula ukuthi Alex ufuna ukuzithola karamo iPantsula nami ngingaqala ukuba iPantsula once in a time flow manje ngisithuno okay fira sibuyelene emuva mfethu ukhulele ukhuleleka yi Alex khulele emakhaya umfana wakho wakephi wena ubuyaphi ekhaya
mina ngibuya eMambisa ekhaya ngibuye Natal obvious
okay
enambithe zakhini kwasima rankhulela ngekhaya ngintwana zelokishini ungibona kanje
wephi indawo kara eThembisa
uThembisa ngisemthambeka 1632 mongena nje
awafike sesizomambisa
ngintwana vele ngakhulela la qala ukuncanywa lento ye dance first time ngize Alex ngizovakasha nje yabona Alex hayi
siyamboro
kune movement la ngibona khona ukuthi enhle mangablume Alex izinto zami ngifuna ukuzijuna
ziyachuna
yazojuna ka
never
ngamuvela ngiyi
wena ubani okuphi fethu
mina mfethu yazi mfethu mina ngibuya le eLimpopo
umpeti
from young age vele ngikhulela until ngizwakala grade 2 ngifika grade 2 vele before ispansula ngishaya acting
bengifuna sekule ndawo acting because of uvele TV nosemncane kakhulu mnja yami kwi acting yakho ungene kanjani kula part lokuba ube actor semncane so
mina ngishaya match 6 ngincane ukuthi vele ngibika imali yokukhera like ngama friend inyaka eSoweto theatre yangisho
fair
ngihlezi ngibukela idrama la yangisho angilila ngabasho ukuthi nama audition ngasho ngithi
qumshelele shit
yangithola fika la nga audition bazishanga intwana encane indlini bakhuthala bangiletha ama contract ngisasintwana bayabona
lo mfana lethe Rosalela Joe yes Rosalela Joe yamona mfana toxic feel esgela lifestyle esgela benthunana esgela benglezeva khambeni esgela like because of remember no senamapantsula right nesasgela kunamapantsula so nyana sesgela obviously nisana ka kule contract vele esikhulu Alex amapantsula ku company enkulu amapantsula lesgela so which means famous already
school of excellence
understand famous already so manje esgela nethunana ilezi esivulisekela ilezi ezidabantwana or lezi ezivulexile nje ezingabonisi bazinamasimo
esgela high school feel
ngene high school face
mina primary Dr. Knack ngisase ipantsula nada amasifika la vele mangithi high school vele ngisengu Eben manje ngithola sengicala ukucavi kwanyala ngiphethe abo double dolly vele esike eskile mfethu ile uyacaba ukuthi ile engagwajisini kokucala evukela udlela khona bakhuluma pantsula
wait more pantsula
usuka ngomdansi
more pantsula no awugwajise
like mfethu bakufrostana abantu abanye bakhalela into yenzayo ngisho
abanye bafuna ukuzibona nawe side
abanye bafuna ukuzibona nawe mfethu umuntu uzomliselana umuntu obona ukuthi uyaziphushela ngisho manje uyabona sekuthathini esigele sanokusuka ngomdanso
benivulile ezivula amasekele esigele
ngithola itsalo khishwa isigila vele ngithola
same time same time fela unjepha uvanga so sikhathi wena uthuna lezi zivulesekele
khona lokho ngikhona sibuya high school eyi-1 phela
oh nawe ubusekele karayeni Eminem
yeah obvious mfethu impilo yethu beyi-revolve around the-dance
asho
siyintwana into esiyaziyo siphila ngayo into ezidlisayo
nami nginoku-operator phamineva ngibone ngelezi ne-emotion ekasi awuferi mara nabikilezi ezizithuleka mara bengikhona kara istikile bengikhona kara istikile bengikhona emineva but nabilezi zirelaxele nami ngisafuna into engiyifuna ngesikhathi sami ngithola ngiyazibona nami khona baliphansi kula lezi zikhupha isigela ngithanda ziba nijive ngithi kanti lezi zijive ziphuma isigela ntaye lezi amawena zivawa baye inzani yes
qoshiwe kunini ezibashanga amawoningi ngale ndawo yokukhipha ikona
ngisho ngilezi bayikhipha isigela mangicabanga ngelezi asifuna ukujiva ukhala ngithi after school yes afira since sinzulu side lane so emusicini nifika kanjani ku-music uqale kanjani music realize nini uba okay now I can act right now I can dance umusic wona uqale kanjani ufike kanjani kule ndawo okay now ngolomjitho ukuthi afire iyahlangana everse ngithola uqale ku-freestyle kanje uqale kanjani
yazi i-music umuntu like ngisho nomunye la ubukela kacula makayiwana esipilini usanokulokhu ukukhalibhida lokhu acula uyasaba usikhopha nami isuka kanjalo yangishola manje feri ayazi mfethu inspiration yini ukuthi vele besijayive ama-music video artist mfethu yasho ukuthi nami mfethu ngenilanga ngathi kungaba yimi la
uyazibona
yimi la yabo
feri
so iba yile nto leyo ukuthi mfethu noma khalibhida mfethu usanokuba manje vele mara leli ngivele cala uRogers vele mina phambi kwami so Rogers ama-video kwami lo ngibhekile ngithi ngiyahhala ukuyithuna mara ngisaba ukuba khoma yina ngestudio ngathi kukhona ngathi I think ufake something ngithi mangiceda ukushaya ngistudio shake
ngakanyana so ngiqale kwi-piano straight vele from straight uqala khona uzowathuna i-pop uzowathuna ikompo piano to stage you understand
Grootman Lambe leshaya hip hop
yeah but
umuntu feel ngibheka feel
yeah but blind but ubungaziboni
isingami la mfini
yesinga so nje pha kambani
hayi
ngoba abathini bathi bona uqale karap boyoyo whatsapp ni
phela ngiphapha mina angacedi ukuphapha ngisapha
usazwakala
angacedi
ukutshela thina wena umusic uthole kanjani uzithola sokunjepa jeff wakhambeni kanjani
mina Grootman Lambe as much as nakutshela Grootman lakhe nami Grootman Lambe esha music hip hop obvious piano belingakabi khona by that that time hip hop nami ngiqale nge-hip hop qala ukushaya hip hop mina 2018 ya 2018 ngishaya hip hop ngishaya grade 10 hip hop siyayibona i-wave mos angithi yabona silandela i-wave ngiyabona ukuthi ayazini kumele manje mani ngihope ngathi hayi la nginesinkwa khona
so kulahlela kanjani kwepiano yini ukuhlangana nomuntu oshaya ipiano or
bengiphusha nezinye intwana zami kayi bese sibizi hustle gang ezinye kanje usidala nomatapa shout out V2 bona
so bona bathini basaqhubeka nendaba
yeah basoparate hayi nabo bachifte kupiano ngishifte na qaleke kahle hip hop
nabona bafethu ngeke asiholi kayi masijike
asiyeni ngari hayi saqala sashaya piano sasifundisa into besingancane yazi besingalifuni piano besingalifuni besijeyila ngeke sishayele into le manje siyabona hip hop hayi abisibana lana sajutha nayi safika kuleyo conclusion ukuthi yazini
asishintsheni bafethu
silandeni isinkwa la sikhona sathi piano movement yaqala piano ma-operator ngayo until iye ngizojoyina i-Eben
okay
2022
John Eben mawuqala John Eben kanjalo wahlangana namajita
hlangana namajita
mangifika uvange sasikhathi yena ungaphakathi ukara ku-Eben
bathole ku-Eben
so senithini manje into kana ngishaye freestyle or into ingqondo yokuthi mashaye track sonke kwenzakalani
mamela ngithi ngifike amajita mangifika la ngithola nawo operate thola ngibona nevili ishanga ivideo yenye freestyle yaqala uyayicaba ivideo yakhona bekashayela irezali ngiyabona manje inhlaka ngishaya music yangitshela
kusana ivideo khona
ikho
futhi ungisendele yona
ngenza ukuthi
sifake karani ibheke kancane
ngithola noRogers ngiyabona ba-operator kube into ukuthini ema-Johannesburg ngishaya le nto le nto esijasa emtini asingene ne-studio
100
sicela sangene e-studio sashanyana lawo sawabona ne-potential uyazi isitayile sama-Johannesburg besiblind and nami ngi-different ngifike ngesitayile sami sisuka le bona bashayisana
nabakuhlunga indlela zabo
baba into eyi-1 yabo saphusha kanjalo music from 2022 qala ukuphusha nama-Johannesburg kahle kahle from 2022
so now iphapha amavali impahla ubona no yazini no le mpahla yaspa kunibona ninothisa valo by no as in because of now sidala siphusha lempahla but no khona la siyakhona na because of kenzeka into iqale ne ube ne hope ba izospana but you realize but no actually I spy you understand but ukhona ukuyiphusha ubona actually right now siyaqala no yanithola abantu beqala bayakhomba no hey namasimu track because of ezasijida thina sakukela track yakho namasimu you know but mase utshela umuntu ongacavi you understand noma uqala uyabheka unomuntu oyipostile or repostile and uyabona ba hey
Ushudile
yanithola you realize nini bese kusiyamove le mpahla
thina into engizokutshela yona kokuqala abona nanoma wonke umuntu like ukuthi manje abantu baca thina siyazijutha ke yangithola sithanda ukuyimagine like siya-imagine macala cabanga yini like siyazijutha out yami yangithola so yonke la into lena ngathini mfethu ukuthi
kalo ngokuyijutha
obvious ama-track vele besiwashaya siwakhalisa esijidini bashutana mafethu basikhuthaza nalabo abantu abafew yangithola mara mina into ngibukuka uzijuthe besingacabanga ukuthi ama-opinion abantu athina thina besilokhu siphusha riding sizijutha waya so manje kuzijutha kwakho the more ufaka isipaka
the more effort bakhona the more uyibona now bese namthenga qala ngiyashisa
manje yonke into futhi mawulokhu uyithuna kabhaya igcina ini uyalena uya-elevator wane-experience few people balokhu bacava kancane uyabona nama-TikTok so uyapost abantu abakhuthaza awubachazele kahle nje
yes so fere singaphakathi manje okay yaqala yaphuma lempahla 100 unexpected ifeeling yakho ngesasikhathi uyabona ku TikTok or uyabona nobona khona uyabona abantu bayajealous the feeling yakho mawuqala urealize bekushaya noma no lena baba chapa uthini ifila kanjani ngaso sikhathi feeling yakho the first moment but now actually abantu abangaze eziphanzula right now sebengaze ezummusician
ikhombo yonke lento ikhombo phela lento ideshe ngesiphanzula yabona ukuthi ibe unique ibe fresh kanje futhi nethu isiphanzula yabo isiphanzula phela manje culture ukuthi manje ethu yabona saza ama roots wayo sazi nabantu ukuthi manje bayenza nebayenza the way thina sifuna ukuyenza
iskima lesishisa kwaba abalawuli bayo
asingathi ukuthi sibe ne privilege leyo yabona ukuthi maye mo connecta nabantu nyana maybe sekeli yethu yabo ukuthi manje iqondile bese ke ukuthi manje emotion ize sibone ukuthi
emotion khona but ibona kanjani bayasho
thina bese operator bese siphushela kwasho ukuthi yabona masilokho esingene i-studio every day amakhoneni yazi i-studio zasemakhoneni saphuma nengoma nyane i-1 e-right obvious ufunani sithema sishasi sichayibusuku kunethi imvula wani ebusuku
le umuntu ulanda speaker le
khamba ugesi switch sasathi
into beseshisa like TV singavaya
siyozidipela fela khona into khona no
asinanyuka ukuthi siba amakhulu something nje siblomile nje mara silwela sifer baba ngaleva sikho mzuzu nje hlala yi hlala li Rogers hlala li
wani ebusuku uhleke kuseni kahle wani kuseni yabona sashalela number liliyana lo phela
and nakhona amanye lishaya kanjani aziba liphethe
asazi siyakhona nje like just normal
ngithuna ngakhona so ifuna manje yaphuma
hayi
aqala sayiposta thema siyiposta ngathi video nyane i-1 catch emotion sirezali vele nama-gens isigcoke isiphansulo ngiphinile la ku-TikTok yami video yakhona i-1 iyevele yatrend thema iqala ithi catch emotion asiyabona ukuthi okay ba-recognize ukuthi kunabafana abakanje bashaya umculo kanje yabona kancane uyawuza estradini bacula ini amalirik wale yangoma ngithola okay bacula le yangoma sabona ukuthi okay nongoma ine-potential le iyo ngathi izosikhiphe komorele bekana siphusheni yona obvious masilokho siyipromote ku-TikTok shama video catch emotion yakhuphuka esenza labantu esifuna ukuba esazoba yibo safuna ukuba yibo
sase-hungry but ngifuna ukubuyela no kwikasi no okay seniphethe nempahla ngiyashisa no you understand liphethe le ngoma bengacabanga ube ngaba something ngoyihlangene ngakho ndiweni ngisho ngakhona umnye ucela ispeaker karawo umnye uhlala va kuyanet okay siyavaya but manje seniphethe le track and bengakekho I don't think khona umuntu ebecabanga ngoba something you understand seyikhona no and remember sasikhathi anso i-team beni team or bekuse ubani beni team
mara basingakabi collective as like 3 bekasapusha naye azenzela isipani sakhe kuphi omunye ashaya besiphusha nje music mara obvious thina siyimpintshi siyi-3 yabona ithi sishaya music siyi-3 so manje obvious yonke into izoyenza ukuthi manje masimuva siyi-3
simuva ni-3 fere i-track yaphuma challenge ubani ozena le challenge ukuba ku TikTok ivala
Maronza. Shout out to Mrolina intwana yethu sijayiva nayo Roli. Roli ebendile ya. Uyoze ngedance challenge
manje leya
sesebeza yabona.
yafika nale challenge
Challenge le ma yes
ama yebo and so
TikTok yenza umsebenzi.
So do you think i-challenge kagazi yo yakhill ingoma or do you think beside even without a challenge bizowenzeka? Because I feel like a lot of track we TikToks are quite challenge.
Yeah.
Understand? And then that's started chance to win my melons and realize, but fuck, this is it. You know, do you think it's a challenge in the actual thing? But you know what? This is it.
Ngibona kwami.
Yeah.
Lento le iqala kanje ngiqala ngipost i-track.
Yeah.
So i-track siyama sipost. Yathola emotion.
Oh, without a challenge.
Yeah, before iba ne-challenge, ivele yahamba.
You will have
So manje obvious ukuthi
ivayisise.
Yeah, ivayisise. I-challenge.
Bekhona indlela yokuphusha.
Urolo vele wavumbuka ne-challenge.
Yavaya.
Ngithola haha sayishutela. Shoot a TikTok video.
So now so manje masophethe shit so next thing i-pressure injani i-pressure ukuthi manje you have to bring another thing too. Eshisa. Because right now uphethe ifunani, right? And you can't give us less than that, you know. So nifila kanjani ngeso sikhathi mama mfethu niphika kanjani track kuba lena this is the one.
Yo thina indaba kujelile siyaphapha.
Yeah.
And yazi ndisithemba ukuthini yabona isipani sethu. Nawe ufunani phela bengasi track esiyibhekile.
Yeah.
Shanga eVoltin. Yabona eVoltin.
Isinyatsa yena.
eVoltin. Yo siphethe amanye ama-hit amabhayi. Kodwa ukuthi stroke nje sinikeza abantu bajara. eVoltin isipani. Ifunani besingayibheka ngaleyo ndlela. Yabona because nakudala besinayo maybe ihlalile bibuma more than 6 months ikhona i-recording singakayipost mara sithenje ukupost i-clip yazambela urola afake i-dance challenge kwaba into eyi-1 kubo.
So for ubuza the question right now, are you guys dating or
yeah.
No. You don't need to mention the guy. I'm gonna mention the guy. Why?
Kanti aningizwa lapha engomeni yami ukuthi ngithini. Mphethe intombi yami yakashabalala muhle umntwana.
Yeah, feel. Never, ngiyathola Roger. Ukhona. Party. Akumelanga uphafa ngento eyisobhi kodwa.
Tisere la maruma se angijoli. Intombi yakashabalala
Bekuyi just a crack.
Bengibhala story.
Yeah, okay.
Obvious rappers la abantu abenza music beqamba ma bakuzela ne story. Ngithola.
So okay. So bengajoli, which means anjoli, kajola wona.
Okay. No, ngijoli.
No.
No, ngijoli. Mara ya, bangenza lo ngoba bengijoli.
Ujoli sasikhathi.
Ntombi kashabalala.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
No, but the reason kuza lezinto sengenzela even noba kunomuntu ocabanga ngoba yansalo sometimes unobheka umuntu online and think, you know, one day I have a chance or something, you know. And ufuna ukwazi but actually guys, this me I'm dating, ngiyashola mina, you understand. I'm proud man yo then so me yeah sure the face. Next couple soon coming up, you know. Yeah, uzovela soon, you understand. Ngakho ngifuna ibuza lezi zinto bangenzela even nomuntu ongifunayo lapha ekhona ngisho bangiyafuna but ngisho kuyenzeka no. But ngenzela uba khona umuntu obonayo ba type nyana but ayazi ba manje ngisabanje and mangasabanje angabanje ngizomtshela bafethe ngisiphumile, understand. So that's why ngifuna ukubuza lapho nina because right now show ekasa amantombazana oh my god
Mara mele bazibuze yazi mina ngiyithanda baba lokho bazibuza nje.
Bayibuza bengazi nese.
Bazibuze nje.
Bayibuza afika sibashiye kanjani. Ibuzeni ubuyajola but uthe umfowethu akajoli urelax.
Enhle mina ngiconfirmeki yazi.
Yeah.
Ngenza kanyajola namhlanje kusasa.
Maybe bakhuma lokho.
Nami worry.
Ngiyaqabana. Futhi ulungisa nalo. Ngicabana futhi Sandibe.
Na lento mkashabalala kusasa maybe ngicela na.
Ngokwazi ba.
Namhlanje angazi angikho
Sengenza okay I feel. Ngikubuza for the girls for last time. No sengishiqi ngiyashare ku TikTok on YouTube channels. Do you think girls acted the same been treating akona from Njabulo to Njepa, you know? Do you think there was a peak even around Alex? Do you think there was a peak movement from Hans the way be changing akona, you know?
Yeah.
Do you think abokela ababhadi basiqala ukungiglaze in a way, you know, or do you feel like treatment be say different around girls. Obviously, some are showing love, but around girls because of remember, but girls, lot of girls they hire you if you have something, you know.
Palatina wana.
Or maybe from.
No so.
Yeah.
Ever since music nan.
Yeah.
Fair no maybe from outside.
Yeah.
Abanye abazrecognize phela no angithi yabona ukuthi aseke komora kuphela mara besides ispanzula ibesine emotion eningi yaske phela ispanzula bese sifake TV angithi besivele ama music video nini
manje
vele khona bekusasa
i-treatment kayiya amantombazane kase kashintshe vele from the phansula wakhe so
yena ngaphandle so la ikazala singama regular khona sibakhinyayo maybe
bayakwazi Ramtsibela
ngaphandle la
yo
recognition yakhula phela no
fair
kama lakhula abantu bakwazi fire bakwazi.
So what is the trace
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
okay nasa sinesishiki hey because it's DM okwayithola to realize but fuck this is it
utheni manje le mntwana uthe hey yazi utheni uthe puti uyawadla ama fruits athi nginobhonjisi namathanga
famous code
wena bo yiphi DM
le nami ngingayreceive lezi nakuma comments nje bashazo nalezo
bathi uzofaka iphini
bathi uzofaka isandla iphini
yo shit manje ngicina nenza kanjani kunama offers so
angeke uselokhu respond
phela nakhona mfethu akuvela ngokwethu available
yeah respectful
because as sometimes as mfethu abo made in click abantu abanjani bazothi kakhulu yikasi like uzodilwa labantwana laba mfethu obvious wonke umuntu mfethu khona ama situation ukuthi manje awakho ngithola umntwana uspenda nawe isikhathi sekabona ukuthi Don broke nini
yakubona ukulekha kuphi yalekha lo mfana lo
vele uzomgapa
yansana uzomgapa
uzofutheka akafutheka epinwe sikayiwahlaza la sokhabatha igama lami ngisazama
lakho
ukubhala kabuthi ba-avoid like bangangazeli ngcono bazi ukuthi okay abantu
do you think if you can advise someone maybe or pusha lempahla ongakafiki maybe because I don't think sanifike la nifuna yakhona you know amaphupho makhulu you know but in some way omunye umuntu ofisa ubakayi you understand so do you think for someone la ukhona no you can advise umuntu osephansi kwakho osafisa uba la ubakhona ukuba girls they are not a good advisor to be keeping around of dude advise abantu mazana maybe angamkhabathi in the way
into engayisho mfethu isidingo sokuthi lokhu bamba bochira ababhaya asikho ungananenyu futhi
yeah mongena next
uzokwanzima ukusavela iteki njalo phela mina ngitshela bangikhinya basefika la bamba bochira abayi4 same time udila nabo serious uthatha ama chance
you killing me
anye ukuthenga amatheki
ngeke uthenga amatheki masneka same thing to you mwana
hayi ayike hlula leyo
phela namajita like siyafana like noma kadila nomuntu uzodilana obvious kwenzakala ukuthi kanjani
bese yaphenda yakhona fere
mara uzodila ngizocaba ukuthi okay chiri kanje
na
uhleza naye anyeke kube umuntu manje like uzovaya
umrela
manje nomozo lethanga umuntu
neshashalazi so aphekazi since nani nimnandi aphekazi do you think khona amajita azwakalayo nenezwe balentana lezi music kwazo uyashisa
asibaba talent eliningi
like awungayi3 nyana shout out to who some
inyintwana yami imnandi kakhulu ishayikhekhe manje Faruki yasipana le ntwana yami I best shout out to Faruki uye ukuthi manje ngiyambona ukuthi okay yamuva yabona yeah shout out to 1011 konjepa ezamuva lezantwana
okay asike sithamajina nje yazokalayo like asi uSharuk bani
Faruki abanye basipana ne mara lo Faruki ngimbona ukuthi nawe
operate
bese kune RX6 ba-operate boboy nabo basenzela into yabo yabona abantu bona ukuthi okay manje yabona sisekasi nesapusha song
because I feel like into tshonakala kini yenze into encane zibe nehope kabhaya because remember into iqale kubozuma understand abozuma umsholozi basikayi hope ibhaya ku access ingathunakala kayikahle understand not uyandlula 13 ubuhlanga nozuma yasho bafa ingathunakala le mpahla you understand but now mase thunakala kini futhi is it ukuthi ingathunakala you understand iyathunakala le mpahla iyathunakala the more ngipush ispan the more izokwenzeka you understand that's why ngithi mfana le ntwana lezi nibona ispan yayinot banje yami Farouk uyazwakala
Esibaya abona Alexziningi mfana from lathi simuva siphusha nabo yini babaya abosiphola abo Oliver abo teams
100
esibaningi mfethu esibaningi
100
khona lento yabona igomora engakanani talent eliningi kasi nje ibaya shothi ukuthi nje uzimarket ukwazi ukuthengisa talent
bye
mangakwazi ukuthengisa talent hayi
Lipai samuwa ngoma YouTube yayo please guys subscribe afethu kaneza kahle subscribe
now is on Landa 1 by 1 lapha
my change le pattern from already live white yeah from already live white subscription party
so ngifuna manje ngishale maybe i freestyle nyana kuba favorite verse already if verse vele so icopy yatsala your favorite verse ngishale freestyle yayo your favorite verse into kwayibhala wabe like this one like this is my favorite one you understand
yeah
abantu qala
verse lami ngincanywa leni verse lami ukuthi maye ngalibhala lela ne
maybe seliphumile or akaphumi but your favorite
awukaphumi ngalibhala ngishawa amazolo ngokha kunethi imvula lokho ngiera amagama kancane thina awudedlelelo
obheke kana kwashayile yona
lithi lempili inkinga sifela khona le mali sayidinga i lifestyle ye piano soyiphila is too much ngizopopa soyiphina yini ngibona ngusathane engilinga ngizobethu njabulu uyabhimba kotsithiwa ngisazojiba lescoop siyashisa uyasifika break ntwana yami ngathi uyaspeeda
yo free katalo yabo karu ya speed chopa kaska oh shit oh ityanini
2018 nyaka 2018
yes asiko sizowena mngane your favorite one noma liphumi noma liphuma
hayi mina favorite ngibele ngisha
babheke anzola
le gadlazeli igijima ngo180 Caster Semenya kunyuka amakhilometer you better hurry up njengegutsumela abantu buye Dustin mara kuma bling bling angithi yabona sonke sifuna lama knocks walala wasala wavuka uzobona ikhushu clarlana no reverse a hands up mase sidubula ama verse 7 minutes pantsuleni suka ngesikhanda phakathi kwekharakari khombe msotra ijobela liphethi jelingani zayifuna umama ngaphaki ngoba ukudla kuzowoma mina ngiyojiva kuze ku16 choppers kwenye ushira damn
oh shit god damn and I think I need to pop this nigga deaf I need everybody my daughter look drop again so
I'm doing just busy when I drop it
so full up on phone okay so now I see good shit bafethu you understand yeah shit if you are kanjani shit please push on but please guys if uyaqala nje ukusibona fethu kunengoma ekuthiwa ushipho siyacela fethu
streamer
so shipho
iphume no music video ne cherry on top
yeah yonke into yini ngathi i favorite verse kukayi beside ungazi count wena wonke umuntu okushisela kayi bombe yazini kayi bani manifest kakazi to be honest nje
obviously to kuphela share verse YouTube zini
tuzi
Rogers ushaye hook yabo
hlungu Rogers ngehook Hlungu. Okay, let's say rate your verse out of 10. Your verse, just be honest to you. Without saying 10 out of 10, but the way I think you can do better. But to be honest to you, if it's do you think you can do better than that one, or you think it's a 10?
Barrealizo maro why mameli shit ngithi why mameli shit
ngelalela ushaya ifisi lakhona bangakalizwa balisi
balaza ngifuna ukubazisa la mele bayo stream
excel khona likhona liphumile
mina verse lami njami yo ali best
100 ulofana
ukubulala ngithi manje ngithi ngibhale verse ngiyabhala by the way ngiyabhala yonke ingoma yami ngiscravile ngiyabhala ngishaya into uyalizwa man Already, phela manje style sami sesifika.
Naleza team 2.
Yo. I spot nje mina ngiyalithemba verse lami 10 out of 10. Ayikuthi kanjani it's not like
ayikuthi ngiyatshela kanjani. Hayi kanjani
hayi no offense.
Ayibara kashisa.
Ngendlela egrand kahle.
Kashisa FC.
Kashisa le nto yami.
Mina.
Yeah, your verse.
Ngizirate ni verse yami.
Okay, I think I need to because of guys. Please, ishiki iphumile bafethu yabo ngaphandle iphumile ishiki. Ngifuna bese kule track sesisazi angisole nisha amavesi asingawacaba la happy favorite kulama track vela abantu sibewazi vela maybe someone is on follower like
favorite
yeah your favorite but which track your favorite
tshela mina
mara uyazi mfethu
ufuna he ufuna yes that track chintshile lo mngana
hayi neimpact ebhali ya track leya
track leya mfethu like nanune eshingathini yo hey man kubo
track le best ba
because I feel like you have this lingo yakho mfethu you always unokukhuluma izinto esingaunderstand
sonke sinasikhuluma but kumele sireal sesiyakhomulisa
yeah but kwesi emakhekeni wakho unokusho ezinye izinto nokubuza umndeva ngithi ithi le kwakho kayi
engiyami nangilemele
you understand khona I don't know ngikhohlile la khona but ukhulume igama was like ngiyakuzwa ne but angibuzi ukuthi mara feel like ngiyakuthola yeah ungenza ngishiyeka lento kuba ngiyakuthola mara ngibuza ukuthi ngiyakuthola
mina ngikholwa
uthatha vale la kwesho just last question bafethu bese siya understand
mina into engayisho ngilemele yabo mara ukuthi abazi yabo izinto zami izihlezi ngikhuza ngithola mina
lingo baba lelingo yakho ebenhle amazikaloji man
yes
amazikaloji urelease every season inegama elihle
so khona inye release
lingo sibako ebenhle
so umuntu akakuconga akakubona online or maybe oqala manje ukutholakala kanjani ubani kanjani
obviously
kanjani
Instagram baba wakhona ugcina ngama AI3 nje baba ngama AI3 TikTok Njabulo 6 nje baba futhi yangithola la YouTube Njabulo 6
nje baba
10.1 yabona crew vele thina ezi3 si 10.1
shota one no bafezo shota one
asiphelela
abafisi lo Nevelin P all platforms
Nevelin
P Instagram TikTok Nevelin P YouTube Nevelin P Spotify Nevelin P inphumela ukuthi never play never play
awudlali
so bafethu i10 and then a triple and so bafethu if you like this video can kindly share subscribe I hope you for one more comment below you know
Sisi Brooks
you understand
Ndakabokwane
kama simthandile abamthanda bambiza ngaso simthandile na umthandike comment below just say simthandile fethu come on I'm out of here shit dango
copy.
Don't look at that social media all day and see what niggas got and just start losing your mind. Niggas grinding for this shit.